Welcome to a world of wonder and mystery. Tropical rainforests, with all their biodiversity, are home to more than half of all plant and animal species on planet Earth. Beneath this lush green canopy hides an extraordinary life, a life of wildlife living in colorful harmony. Here, among the towering trees, are unique species found nowhere else in the world. The wildlife in the tropical rainforest is incredibly diverse. From colorful tropical birds to agile mammals, every living creature here plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Exotic birds such as the toucan with its large and colorful beak, to the graceful quetzal bird, they are symbols of the grandeur of the Central American tropical rainforest. The quetzal bird is considered a symbol of freedom, beauty, and spiritual power by the Mayan people of Central America. Among the inhabitants of the tropical rainforest, primates play a very important role in this ecosystem because they disperse plant seeds from the fruits they eat. These monkeys are often seen in the dense forest canopy. They are often seen in groups to forage and maintain relationships between their groups. Orangutans, known for their intelligence and closeness to humans, live in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. With their expressive faces, orangutans spend most of their time up in the trees, searching for fruits or chatting with their fellow group members. Their existence relies heavily on lush tropical rainforests, and they also play a role in spreading plant seeds. Apart from orangutans, there are also gorillas, who live in the tropical rainforests of Africa, possessing incredible strength, but are also known for their peaceful nature. It's not only mammals that attract attention, but insects are also an integral part of life in the tropical rainforest. Butterflies with colorful wings dance among the tropical flowers, while dragonflies can always be seen in the wet swamps, where they are a favorite. And there are many other amazing insects in the forest. Behind the splendor of their appearance, these insects play a huge role in the tropical rainforest ecosystem, assisting with pollination, decomposing leaves, and dispersing organic matter that is vital for soil fertility. Amidst the lush trees and foliage, in the shallow, humid rivers, here is home to an incredibly diverse and adaptive range of reptiles, such as crocodiles, caimans, and rattlesnakes. They are ferocious predators ready to attack their prey at any time. They have an amazing ability to survive by utilizing their surroundings, and have excellent camouflage to blend in with their surroundings. Here, tigers and jaguars are apex predators that play an important role in tropical rainforest ecosystems. Tigers, especially those in Asia, are highly territorial and powerful predators, capable of hunting a wide variety of prey, with hunting skills that rely on strength and speed. The jaguar, meanwhile, which is found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, has an extremely powerful bite that can even pierce the thick skin of its prey. Both predators serve to control the population of their prey, keeping the rainforest ecosystem in balance by ensuring species diversity is maintained. Wildlife in tropical rainforests play a very important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They help pollinate plants, disperse seeds, regulate other animal populations, and maintain the overall health of the forest. Birds that eat fruit and spread seeds to other places, or other wildlife that eat insects and reduce pests, are small examples of how important the role of animals is in maintaining the survival of tropical rainforests. However, tropical rainforests are not only rich in wildlife, but also contain many rare species that are now threatened with extinction. With increasing deforestation, climate change, and illegal hunting, many species are threatened with losing their habitat. Uncontrolled forest fires destroy their natural habitat, while illegal hunting and wildlife trade make matters worse. Many species have even become extinct or are on the verge of extinction due to habitat loss and overexploitation. Despite this, there are many efforts from various conservation organizations and institutions to protect tropical rainforest wildlife and conserve them, including conservation programs involving local communities and the government. With greater community support and attention, we can provide a brighter future for tropical rainforest wildlife. Protecting and preserving wildlife is not only the responsibility of the government or organizations, but also our shared responsibility. Let us be part of the solution to preserve the wonders of tropical rainforest wildlife so that it can continue to thrive on planet Earth. Tropical rainforests and the wildlife that inhabit them are priceless treasures. Their existence is a testament to the beauty and diversity that God created for us to enjoy. Let's preserve it together, so that future generations can also experience the wonders that lie within. Thank you for watching this video, and let's preserve the beauty of our nature together.